Did Smart Warren call the police?
No, not here.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. So let's go to Tony Wood, auto body examiner. Hello, Tony. How are you?
Good. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. You are joining us from North Hollywood via Polycom. What can you tell us about this case, Tony?
I looked at the car. I looked at the directions. I performed several tests on this with different tools.
Do it again.
I took the key that
Go
was
ahead.
actually used
Then you want to tear that shit up. Do it.
and I tried to
Do it.
duplicate the scratches all over the car. That scratch is really
Get it.
deep and it goes
Get it.
clear through the paint all the way
Get
to
it.
the
Do it
metal.
again.
I couldn't do it with the key. The key is too worn out and too smooth at the end of it. So what I did is I took a screwdriver, which is a little sharper, and I gouged into the paint, and I didn't get quite as deep. I tried with a 8-penny nail, I tried with a sheet metal screw, and I also tried with an ice pick. Then I decided, well, let me try a house key. And I took a house key, a normal house key, and I scratched the car, and it went right through the paint, clear through the paint, and then right into the metal. So the key that was in question that's used to scratch this car was not the one that scratched this car.
Didn't you testify that it was, in fact, the Lexus key? I thought it was a Lexus key because it was pretty fat. Maybe I was mistaken because how the paint was chipped off. But I know he did it because it didn't happen until he left my house that night. Okay, how much money do you want? Well, the estimate was $25.99 when I went to the body shop, and I was surprised at that. Macy's Precision Equine Units